Good evening, geographers, and happy Friday. I am coming to you from Waradaka Brewing Company out in rural Laytonsville, Maryland, and it's kind of getting close to sundown here. We are just getting ready to leave, and this is a working farm slash brewery. And as you can see, it's just an absolutely gorgeous setting, and the weather couldn't be better tonight. It was a little hot today, but perfect weather tonight for a beer, and we had some pizza. So anyway, today's topic that I wanted to start to talk about was the World Domination Summit. This is the conference that Mark and I went to it was at the end of June in Portland. And what I want to tell you about this is it's really hard to describe, but it is an unconventional type of conference that is designed to get people together that think outside of the box, unconventional thinkers and people that want to change the world and live remarkable lives. It started by Chris Guillebeau, who has Side Hustle School and has written many books, and I've been fortunate enough to see him a couple times at book signings and various events. But this was the first time that I had ever been to this conference, and it was really amazing. I mean, besides meeting people, going to different sessions, it's really a different type of conference. The attendees that go there are all kind of in this space of wanting to change the world and wanting to do something different than what society tells them to do, and that is what I'm trying to do. So it was the perfect time for me to go and see what this conference is all about. And unfortunately, next year is the last one, but that doesn't mean it has to be the end of the ideas. So that is what I wanted to talk about. There's a lot more information about WDS, which is the nickname, but I will post that in the description of the video. But I had a great time, met awesome people, got a lot of inspiration and ideas, and I look forward to seeing how they play out. So for now, I'll say goodnight and have a great weekend. Talk to you tomorrow. Good night.